cooling, ventilation, and even hydroponics. But existing use excessive power. The Cloudline series by AC Infinity is a new generation of mixed-flow inline fans that are smarter, quieter, and more energy efficient. Our system includes a programmable controller that will automatically adjust airflow in response to changing temperatures and humidity. By delivering the optimal amount of airflow exactly when needed, you can reduce energy and noise levels. The intelligent programming also features alarm notifications, failure alerts, and eco mode, containing an DC motor that is controlled by PWM. Our fans use modulation pulses to optimize the motor performance at every speed, resulting in up to 40% increased efficiency. In comparison, AC-powered duct fan simply suppresses the voltage to stall fan speeds, forcing its motors to run loud and inefficiently. Our inline fans are constructed with heavy-duty steel balanced with lightweight, low-noise thermoplastic. And with a mixed-flow design, it maintains peak performance even in high static pressure environments. The entire unit is also certified IP44 sealed to prevent dust and liquids from entering. The Cloudline series is available in 4, 6, 8, and 10-inch models. The controller included with T-series models can connect up to 2 duct fans to share the same programming. AC Infinity, smarter heating, cooling, and ventilation.